You are tuned into the 5-Minute Signal. I am Aris Sterling, performance research expert. This is not a health podcast. This is your maintenance manual for the body. We don't do hope here. We do reality. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's get to work. The news today is coming out of the most advanced labs at Harvard and the world's leading longevity institutes. We are witnessing the death of the wear and tear theory of aging. For a century, the medical establishment told you that your body is like a car, that it eventually just rusts, breaks down, and falls apart because of use. That theory is dead. The new reality, supported by the latest breakthroughs in epigenetic research, is the information theory of aging. Scientists have successfully used Yamanaka factors, a specific cocktail of genes, to reprogram the cells of mice, effectively rebooting them to a younger state. They aren't just slowing down the clock, they are rewinding it. We are seeing blind mice regain their sight and old tissue regain the function of its youth. The signal is clear. Aging is not a mystery of physics, it is a problem of information management. Why it matters is simple. If aging is an information problem, it can be solved with a data reset. Think of your body as a high-end computer. Your DNA is the digital code, the ones and zeros that define who you are. Your epigenome is the software, the instructions that tell the cell which genes to turn on or off. As we age, we don't lose our DNA, we lose the software instructions. It's like a scratched CD. The music is still there, but the player can't read the data because of the surface noise. Cellular reprogramming is the technology that polishes the disc. This shift changes everything about how we approach longevity. We are moving away from fixing parts and toward restoring the system. If we can preserve the clarity of the biological instructions, the hardware stays young by default. We are no longer looking at how to live with disease, we are looking at how to maintain the youthful state that prevents disease from ever occurring. The hard truth is that your current anti-aging routine is likely a waste of time. Most of you are throwing supplements at your body like you're throwing paint at a crumbling building. You're taking antioxidants and hoping they'll stop the decay. They won't. The unvarnished reality is that biological decay is a relentless loss of data. Every time your cells divide, and every second they are exposed to environmental stressors, the noise in your system increases. Conventional wisdom says to eat well and exercise to stay young. That's like saying drive carefully to keep your car from ever needing an oil change. It helps, but it doesn't stop the inevitable entropy. Without active intervention in your epigenetic signaling, you are just managing your decline. Most longevity products on the market today are selling you hope while your biological data is leaking out of every pore. Here are your 3 tactical steps. 1. Implement sirtuin activation protocols. Sirtuins are the security guards of your genome. Their job is to keep the DNA organized and prevent the scratches that lead to data loss. To keep them active, you must trigger survival circuit stressors without causing damage. This means regular, short-duration, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and deliberate cold exposure. These aren't fitness moves, they are signals to your sirtuins to stop what they are doing and go repair the DNA. 2. Optimize methyl donor availability. Epigenetic instructions are managed through a process called methylation. Think of methyl groups as the bookmarks that tell your cells which pages of the DNA to read. As you age, you lose these bookmarks. You need to ensure your body has the raw materials for this process. Audit your intake of folate, B12, and TMG, trimethylglycine. These are the biological ink for your cellular manual. Without them, your body cannot write the instructions for youth. 3. Execute information silence via fasting. Every time you eat, your body has to process data. Digestion is a loud, resource-intensive biological event. To allow your cells to focus on data cleanup, a process called autophagy, you must provide windows of silence. Implement a strict 16-8 fasting window. This isn't about calories. It's about giving the repair crew in your cells the time to clear out the noise and misfolded proteins that clog up your biological software. Silence the input so the system can fix the code. I'm Aris Sterling. This has been the 5-Minute Signal. Stay sharp. This program is for informational and educational purposes only. This content is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any health-related decisions.